To get started with using Bullx with Phantom Wallet, you need to understand the basics of both platforms. Bullx is a decentralized application that allows users to interact with the Solana blockchain, while Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet used to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. First, you need to download and install the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser. Once installed, create a new wallet or restore an existing one using your seed phrase. Make sure to keep your seed phrase safe and secure, as it is the key to accessing your wallet. Next, navigate to the Bullx website and connect your Phantom Wallet by clicking on the Connect Wallet button. Select Phantom Wallet from the list of available options and confirm the connection. You will see your wallet address and balance displayed on the Bullx dashboard. To use Bullx with Phantom Wallet, you need to have some Solana tokens in your wallet. You can purchase Solana on a cryptocurrency exchange and transfer it to your Phantom Wallet. Once you have Solana in your wallet, you can start interacting with the Bullx application. Bullx allows you to mint, buy, and sell non-fungible tokens, also known as NFTs. To mint an NFT, click on the Create button and follow the prompts to upload your digital asset and set a price. You can also browse the marketplace to buy and sell existing NFTs. When using Bullx with Phantom Wallet, make sure to keep your wallet and transactions secure. Always verify the recipient's address before sending any tokens. And be cautious of phishing scams and fake websites. It is also important to keep your Phantom Wallet and Bullx accounts up to date with the latest security patches and updates. In conclusion, using Bullx with Phantom Wallet is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of blockchain and cryptocurrency. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can start exploring the world of NFTs and decentralized applications on the Solana blockchain.